Cabot Oil and Gas is fracking wells throughout northeastern Pennsylvania and prides itself on the ability to recycle water used during the hydrofracking process. So how does that recycling process actually work? Action News reporter Brandy Devine visited a site in Dimock Township to show us.
Cabot Oil and Gas is working with Comtech Industries to recycle 100% of the water that comes back to the surface during the fracking process. Comtech is a Pennsylvania-based company working with Cabot to filter the water used in hydrofracking.
Once a well is fracked, the initial flowback period is typically somewhere in the 15 to 25% range.
That means about a quarter of the water used comes back during initial drilling stages. That number will go up over time as well as continue to produce water. The recycled water is then brought to Cabot's semi-permanent water recycling station in Dimock, where it's filtered.
We'll put it through a process of both chemically treating and clarification so that the water can be sent back out for reuse on the next frac.
Now you can see the separation here after the chemistries have been applied.
The water is then placed in holding tanks where Cabot water trucks will come pick it up.
We process nearly 900,000 barrels of water for them for reuse. A 100-barrel truckload would be 4,200 gallons of water.
Cabot Oil and Gas has been recycling its own water for nearly 2 years, saying that none of the water leaves the recycling site to go back into streams or rivers in the Commonwealth. In Dimock, Brandy Devine, WBNG TV, Action News.
According to Cabot and Comtech Industries, about 8,000 trucks are used around the northeast Pennsylvania for water hauling, but the mobile recycling has shortened travel routes and eliminated the use of some trucks. Tomorrow, we will take a look at Cabot's plan to use the energy it extracts to fuel its trucks.